Hello everyone! In this video, tuturuan ko kayo paano mag-reset ng PC or laptop, mag-add ng partition and backup files sa Windows 11. Tuturuan ko rin kayo paano mag-troubleshoot ng PC or laptop. So first, right-click nyo yung Start button, hanapin nyo yung Settings, click nyo, and ayan. So make sure na sa System Selection kayo, then scroll. Hanapin niyo yung recovery. Ayan, click nyo. And under recovery option, we have reset this PC and advanced startup. Click nyo yung reset PC. So may nalabas dyan na option, dalawang option, which is keep my files and remove everything. So sa keep my files, nakalagay dyan removes apps and settings but keeps your personal files. And ayun nga, when you reset, all of your application will be removed, only Windows will remain, and all of your settings will be put back to default. And sa remove everything, kalagay dyan, removes all your personal files, apps, and settings, which is, kapag pinili nyo po to, make sure na naka-backup na po yung personal files nyo, kasi nga po, yun nga po, diba, nakalagay dyan, mawawala po lahat. So, ang pipiliin ko po is remove everything since na-backup ko na po yung mga personal files ko po. Ayan, click. And ayan, may dalawang lalabas na option which is cloud download and local reinstall. So, sa cloud download, nakalagay dito download and reinstall Windows, which is yun nga, it will gonna get the latest version of Windows. And sa local reinstall, nakalagay dyan, reinstall Windows from the device, which is, it will reinstall from the version that currently on your device. Piliin ko dito is cloud download. And ayan, nalabas na yung mga pinili mo. Tapos, pwede mo siyang ma-change. Pero ako hindi na mag-change, so i-next ko na. And then, yan, getting things ready na. And then, ayan na, ready to reset this PC na. So, ayan yung, parang review kung ano yung mangyayari. Re-reset ko na. Since pinili natin yung cloud download option, it is going to take some time to download the latest version of Windows from the cloud. And then, maghihintay lang po tayo ng matagal. So, ayan, okay na. So, fast forward lang po natin since nasa sa'yo po yan kung ano yung mas prefer nyo po. And then yan, nag-loading na po. And ayan, okay na tayo. So, before ka mag-start ng kailangan mo muna i-update yung Windows. So, punta ka sa settings. Tapos, punta ka sa Windows Update sa pinakababa. Ayan. Nakalagay dyan no updates available pero pinutin mo na ng pinutin para lumabas yung updates and para mag-download na. And ayan, after po nyan, pwede ka na pong maggalaw-galaw dyan. Okay na po yan. So, let's move on naman po sa pag-add ng partition. So, una, punta kayo sa File Manager and punta kayo sa this PC. As you can see, yung local disk ko, yung meron siyang 423 GB, which means, pwede ko pa siyang lagyan ng partition. Pwede ko pa siyang ma-partition. So, 423 GB free siya. Next naman, right-click nyo yung this PC and click nyo yung manage. Ayan. So, click nyo yung this management. And ayan na yung, as you can see, yung partition ko lang is yung C. Ayan. So, gagawin dyan is, right-click nyo lang yan. And then, shrink volume, click nyo. Ayan, nag-loading. Hintayin lang natin. Ayan. So, sa first makikita natin nakalagay is total size before shrink in NB. Ang meron tayo is 475,000, which means 475 GB. So, sa second line naman, makita natin the size of available shrink space in MB. So, meron tayong 236,000, which means 236 GB ang pwede nating i-partition. So, sa third naman, nakalagay enter the amount of space in shrink in MB. So, ito yung kung ilan yung gusto kong kung ilang partition gusto kong i-separate doon. So, ang nilagay ko dyan is 200 GB, which means 200,000 dapat ang nakalagay dyan. And then, shrink. Wait lang natin hanggang sa lumabas na yung ayan na. Ayan. So, ang nakalagay dyan is 195.31 GB. Ayan yung 200,000 na nilagay ko doon, which is nga ni-round off. So, nakalagay dyan unlocated. I-right click lang natin yan. Tapos, hanapin nyo yung view simple volume. Ayan, next nyo lang yan. Tapos, next nyo lang ulit. And then, ayun na talaga yung pinakapangalan ng volume. Pili na lang kayo kung ano. Pero, ang pipiliin ko is E. Tapos, i-next nyo lang. Ayan, okay na yan. Sa file na yan, pwede kayo maglagay ng important files nyo. Which is, kapag magka-virus kayo, magka-problem kayo sa system, hindi siya mawawala. Ganon. Yun yung kagandahan ng yung partition na yan. And kagandahan dito, kapag mag-reformat kayo, yung local disk na lang i-reformat nyo, hindi na isasama yung new volume E. Which is, parang hindi ka na mag-backup na mag-backup. 5 FQA on how to troubleshoot PC. Number 1. Why is my PC running slow? Check for high CPU or RAM usage, close unnecessary programs, delete temporary files, and run a virus scan. Number 2. What should I do if my PC won't turn on? Ensure the power cable is plugged in, check the faulty power supply, and try different power outlet. Number 3. How do I fix a frozen or unresponsive PC? Try pressing Ctrl plus Alternative plus Delete to open Task Manager, force close unresponsive apps, or start your computer. Number 4. Why is my PC overheating and shutting down? Clean dust from vents and fans, ensuring proper ventilation, and check if the cooling system is working properly. Number 5. What do I do if my PC keeps crashing or showing a blue screen? In short, BSOD. Update drivers, check for faulty hardware, scan for malware, and use Windows built-in troubleshooting tools. Windows 11. I will also teach you how nakalagay nga dyan is 200,036,000 ay 200